but it's time for me to give you all another interesting demonstration. Today we will be going through internal tangent to two circles. The two circles will be two unequal circles. So we're going to try and put a tangent to these two unequal circles. I'm just going to let y'all viewers at home see what's the problem we will be demonstrating. This is the problem here. As we can see, the circle at O is a smaller circle, the circle at C is a larger circle, and the line that is attached to the circle at O and D passes through the middle. That's why this tangent is called internal, compared to this tangent, which is external, where the line is always on the outside. Alright, so let's set this up now. So far we know our first circle is 20, and that is radius. I got my compass here, so I'm gonna stick here. That's 20 radius, so I'm gonna open it to 20. I guess you guys can see everything. Yeah, I think I'll start around here. So you create your circle, 20 radius, and at the same time what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, because we're going to need this line later on to set up our second circle. Our second circle is set up now at a distance of 90 millimeters from our first circle. So what I'm going to do is just indicate that the first circle is called circle O, and our second circle is 90 millimeters away. So that is something like here. So our second circle will start here at circle C, right? And the distance for circle C is a radius of 30. So come here once again, and I'm just going to open this something like 10 millimeters more, which gives us a radius of 30. Okay, good. Stop at C, make a circle around here. So now we have O and C separated by 90 millimeters. I'm just going to put in this so that everyone that's following can reference this. We just put in our dimension here. That there is 90 mil. So that's 90 mil. O and C. So we got the problem set up already. OC distance 90 mil, and we need to try and get an internal line starting from C and going all the way through the project to hit O. How do we do that? Now the next thing we need to do is we need to add these two circles. We need to add the circle O, the distance, with circle C, distance. So the two circles come in at, and we're going to work in diameter now. So circle O in diameter is 40 mil, plus circle C in diameter is 60 mil. As you know, 60 and 40 is something like 100. 60 and 40 is equal to 100, so that's 100 millimeters. And I think I'm going to go through it. I'm going to outline it with a darker pencil when I'm finished. But thanks for letting me know that you can hardly see it, but I will just outline this with a darker pencil. Now, so our construction circle, which will be at circle O, we will start our construction circle at the axis of circle O, will be 100 millimeters. How did we get that? We added O and C, which is 40 and 60 respectively, to give us 100. So let me just place here, construction circle, circle is 100 millimeters, and that will be in diameter. So with that in mind, I know that that will give us a radius of what? 50. So start circle O here, and we create our nice construction circle. Just bring a line, a note to let you know this is our construction circle. Good. And when we have that, we now need to bisect the distance between O and C. Anytime you're bisecting a distance, you always open the compass for more than half, as we know. So if the distance between O and C is here, we open it to more than half, but less than the full distance. So that anywhere around here is decent. We make an arc above and an arc below on side C, and we do the same thing on side O. And then we take a line and we correspond them. The line from the north corresponds to the line from the south. Or better yet, the line from up corresponds to the line down, to the point down. And now we have done that, we have an actual midpoint. And this midpoint, we gotta call that M for midpoint, so that you guys can remember. What do we do at that midpoint? We stab that midpoint M, and we connect. We try to draw a circle from 0 with the midpoint M going through to C. Right, and that is done. It's been done successfully. Now, what has happened? We have seen 3 interactions where our semicircle touches circle O, where our semicircle touches the construction circle, and where our semicircle touches C. The one that we are interested in is where our semicircle touches the construction circle. So I'm just going to highlight this point, and I'm going to say point of interest here. Point of interest. We just use another text line. Reason why that's the point of interest, because that's the point that we are going to connect C to this point here. So let's give that a letter. Let's call this N. Where we take our set square and we connect from C to N, right? Note, we are connecting from a real circle to the construction circle. That's the first step. So I connect C to M, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to track the properties of C to M from the construction circle down to the real circle, where it interacts the real circle, which is circle O, and circle C. And then the tangent line will be going through the circles, will be going through the interior of this. And you would have our demonstration coming to an end at this point. So let me just set this up properly. And that's it there, where we have our tangent line going through the circle at O and touching the circle at C. And how we can prove that this is a tangent? Because if we pull a line from C to where this circle touches the line, you should always get 90 degrees. And that should be 90 degrees to that line. And that's 90 degrees there, that's our 90 degree symbol. And if we do the same thing from O to where it touches here, it should also be 90 degrees. So just recapping, what have we done today? We have done an internal tangent to 2 unequal circles. So I'm just going to write this. Now, some people ask me if I cannot just darken. Can I get a dark pencil? So I can actually just outline what I've done. So this is the tangent. That there is a tangent. These are the 2 circles. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to brighten the 2 circles, and the actual construction circle, I'm going to leave that darkened. So I'm just going to emphasize or re-emphasize what is here. This is circle C and circle O. Remember the construction circle, I'm not going to darken. I'm just doing this one. Right? So these are our 2 circles and our line of tangent. What I'm going to do now is just place the note here. Once again, this is the internal tangent. To two unequal circles. To two unequal circles. Two unequal circles. Good. I think that's a wrap now, guys. Thank you.